I received a call out to a house in Paul where an elderly lady of 73 years old tried to take a nap in the midday and come across this Cape Cobra in a bedding. She called me, I was there within a half an hour, and I told her to close all the windows while I'm on my way, close the door. Luckily the snake just stayed there in the bed. She was quite freaked out, and yeah, it was quite a long Cape Cobra. Cape Cobra is highly venomous. It paralyzes your respiratory system if you get bitten. Within a half an hour you must be at medical care to receive some oxygen, antivenom if it's needed. And yeah, it's one of the South African most venomous snakes. One of the most venomous snakes in Africa as well. One you really need to avoid around here.